Almost 300,000 na utang sa credit card, binigyan siya ng 70% discount ng collections agency. Security Bank final notice. Credit card utang story na naman to. Outstanding balance of 294,798 pesos. As a final offer, you may fully settle your account for only 77,578 pesos and 60 cents if paid immediately. A significant saving of 217,220 pesos and 8 cents. This is a limited opportunity to clear your obligation entirely and regain peace of mind. May credit card po ako sa Security Bank at matagal nang hindi nababayaran. Umabot na po sa 290,000 mahigit. So kita nyo nga dito yung amount, almost 300,000 pesos na ang utang niya. Ngayon po, may collection agency na may ino-offer na big discount. Bale, 79,000 na lang daw po ang babayaran daw. Legit po ba ito? Hindi kaya pag nabayaran na yung 79,000, hahabulin pa din ako? Paano po kaya ako makasure na after paying 79,000, clear na po ako sa Security Bank? First of all, sobrang laki ng discount at offer na yon na nakita ko. That's actually, pag kinalculate nyo, 73% discount siya to be specific. And usually, nagbibigay ng ganito kalaking discount pag medyo matagal na yung account mo sa collections agencies. Even the highest that I have seen, up to 90% discount nga eh. Yung mga offer na ito guys, this is already a very, very good deal. Regarding naman doon sa tanong niya dito, hindi kaya pag nabayaran na yung 79,000, hahabulin pa din ako? So pag nabayaran mo na yon at send ka ng proof of payment doon sa collections agency, make sure as a reminder to always pay doon sa bank pa din ha. Use your credit card number to pay doon sa bank mo pa rin mismo. Huwag ka maniwala sa bank account ng collections agency or any other payment method. Dapat doon sa account number mo lang or credit card number mo lang at magbayad ka sa bank, whether it's an online transfer, funds transfer, bills payment, or over-the-counter payment, or may payment slip and all. Make sure na screenshot or picturean nyo yun, tapos isend nyo doon sa kausap ninyo na collections agent or collections agency nga via email. Mas maganda siya guys kung via email para meron kayong email trail or documentation talaga na nagbayad kayo and you also sent the proof of payment there. Tapos hihingi kayo ng certificate of full payment. Now yung collections agency or yung collections agent will coordinate that with the bank at yung bank yung mag-email sa'yo nung certificate of full payment yon. Once na-receive mo na yung certificate of full payment, considered as fully paid or fully settled na yung account na yon, and the bank will also have to report that doon sa credit reporting agencies or doon sa credit bureaus.